The pioneer of industrial magnetic-based drills, the Atra Ace. The prevailing notions in metal processing will be changed. Become cordless by a battery. Now, magnetic-based drills are moving on to a new stage. Ergonomic. Cutting-edge AI technology. Superior design. The inherited quality has further evolved to meet the needs of professional use. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the arrival of the Atra Ace series cordless type has broken new ground in magnetic-based drills. The advanced evolution of the Atra Ace. Its potential thrusts it onto a new stage. Handy. The Atra Ace cordless series is powered by a lithium-ion battery. It is considerably lighter and more compact than conventional products. It makes it possible to drill holes anywhere. Because it is cordless, the maneuverability and operability greatly enhances the working area. Top-level safety. Equipped with a highly sensitive sensor to detect slippage and inclination. When a problem is detected, the magnet is controlled automatically to ensure safety. With no cord to worry about, many work site risks are eliminated. Highly advanced energy conservation technology. In response to the motor stopping, power supply to the electromagnet is automatically decreased. Other features include automatic stop when there is no load, a warning function if the power is left on, a soft start function which controls the electric current on startup, a lithium-ion battery with excellent recyclability, amassing all the leading energy-saving technologies for the future of the next generation. Compact and light, cordless, energy efficient. The advanced evolution of magnetic-based drills, the Atra Ace series cordless type, holding a multitude of possibilities for a new field and beyond. Building a better tomorrow by responding to the needs of today.